Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these LetShake resistance bands. These resistance bands go up to 310 pounds of resistance. So that's a lot greater than any other resistant bands that I have seen. It comes with your hand holds, very important. It also comes with 2 ankle straps, which I haven't seen before in one of these sets. That's super nice. You can exercise your legs very nicely. It comes with a door anchor, which is important for lots of chest and butterfly type exercises. This big exercise guide poster, so you can go ahead and hang this in your wall, and this really does cover the entire body. This is 100% natural latex, and you can just really feel how thick these things are. And then on the end it shows you how much each is. So this is the 90 pound, this is the big boy, the biggest one they have. So this is just a look at one of the exercises, the tricep push downs. You see an overhead bar. Here's a look at the hip flexor. This utilizes those ankle straps. And then one of my all-time favorites, the bicep curl. Super easy. Overall, I highly recommend this complete set. Thanks for watching.